Today I'll teach you how to fix your TikTok not letting you follow anyone. So if you're facing this problem, then whenever you try to follow someone, TikTok just sends you like an error warning at the top. So in that case, let me show you how to fix it. Now in TikTok, yes, you can follow unlimited amount, but you can only follow 200 accounts in a day. So if you try to go above 200 accounts, then it's going to show you this error. And it's just not 200 accounts per day. It's only like 30 accounts per hour. So if you try to follow more than 30 accounts per hour and more than 200 accounts per day, then it's going to show you this error. And the reason it's showing you this error is because if you start following a lot of people in a short period of time, TikTok is going to think you are a bot account and you're following a lot of people just to get a follow back or for some suspicious reason. In that case, it causes you this problem, alright? But it's really easy to fix this problem. If you're getting this issue, then just wait for 1 or 2 hours and try to follow somebody. It's going to work. And if it still did not work after 1 or 2 hours, then just wait for 24 hours, and after 24 hours, your problem should be resetted and you should be able to follow anyone on TikTok. Let's say you were not following like 200 accounts or like 30 accounts in an hour. You were just trying to follow one of your friends, but you were not able to. And in that case, it's probably your Wi-Fi. Due to your Wi-Fi being slow, you were not able to follow anyone. But let's say your Wi-Fi was not a problem and you're still facing this issue. In that case, just delete your TikTok app and reinstall it again. Once you delete and reinstall your TikTok app, the bug will be resetted and your problem should be fixed. So that's how we guys can fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys in my future video.